Okay guys, Cardi here guys, and this time I have on the table here guys a magnet shift and this PRV here guys. As you see, it's a 12Mr 2000X V2. It's 2000 watt, 8 ohms. Okay guys, yeah, and you can see the magnet was shift because somebody got it before me, and you could see where they tried to take it out, but what they didn't realize, it's locked to one side. So I figured out that the magnet has shift. Yeah, you could see where they took the coil. The coil wasn't even burned, but the magnet was shift, and they were trying to take it out and they damaged the voice coil. So let me clean off this quick. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do guys is set back the magnet, and because all the guys buy, let me show you guys, you have the drop-in for it guys. You buy the drop-in kit. Yeah, the drop-in kit is here. Everything will come. The drop-in kit come with the dust cap also. There's the dust cap, and also they come with the gasket guys for here. Yeah, come with the gasket. So I'm gonna just clean this up right now. Yeah, and go on. Yeah, this is gonna be the best little cleanup I ever do. We don't have to cover the magnet here guys. Man. Okay, this glue they use here is really, man, it's like it's like a steel glue they use down here guys, or some kind of epoxy. And I think that's what I'm gonna put there too, some kind of epoxy. Put the 5-minute one there, I think. Yeah, let's clean off this old side I got. You can see it's coming up guys, little by little. It's not easy, it's really tough. So please be patient and stuff like that. Yeah, be extra patient guys. Oh, click as best as I can. Whoa, look at that. Yes guys, best to clean it up before you put in the magnet. So yeah, you could see what they were trying to, yeah, they realized they were trying to loosen these screws. I don't know if you could see where they were messing with them. Yeah, you could see it. Yeah, just to get to the voice coil. It was shift to here now. Clean this part off. Yeah, so after clean this part up. Yeah, right. So wow, see what glue they use here now. Yeah, I could have used these back, but I'm going to, because we have new ones. So yeah. This knife is the best thing to use guys. Yeah, pick one up at Walmart or Home Depot or AutoZone or O'Reilly's. I don't know if they sell these knives. The same. If I can get them, yeah. So that's gonna go to trash, or maybe I keep their own. See, some still left on it, so yeah. Some part come off real good, some part doesn't. Yeah. Here guys, I'm best to get this part really clean. Yeah, that really clean. So yeah, it's a start. Yeah, I said that I'm gonna put epoxy on here. Yeah, I think so. Whatever, I have a lot of glue I can use here guys. But I said magnet, guys. Yeah, I'm going to use these screwdrivers, these flat mouth screwdrivers, guys. Yeah, definitely what I'm going to use. This don't jump too much. I like to, the best to have somewhere firm, guys. I'm gonna see the table will be good, but yeah, we'll see. So I have a lot of work to do here, guys. So the best to use, let me show you. See, they broke out some stuff here, guys. So like the rim, the rhyme or rim out, how you guys wanna say. Thing here for the screws. You could see some, you have some little metal strips on it, guys. So it's best to get rid of them. Yeah, so you can see on it this. Oh no, yeah, if you guys can see some here. Yeah, yeah, and again. So that way, guys, yeah. And they need these guys for a show for tomorrow. I think that show start this evening. It's called Classic. It's a classic car show, guys. I think they say it lasts for 3 days. I think Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, yeah. But this guy say, well, this if you could get it by 5 o'clock today, and today's Friday, guys. So, you know, yeah, I got a late start because, you know, guys, I have kids and a lot of stuff goes into play. You have a family, guys. Yeah. But let's see. Cleaning this. That's what I'm gonna use to mix the epoxy, and I'm gonna mix it on this piece of tile. I'm gonna use the 5-minute epoxy, guys. I'll show you. Gorilla Glue 5-minute epoxy. Give me a minute. So I have one here, guys. So the other day I use some of one because sometimes I'm doing something, some more than all right. I think that's enough for this purpose. Here, yeah, that will be enough, guys. Yeah, cause when the magnet go down, it's gonna flat out. It's gonna get. I think I'm moving. This hammer here, guys. I have to get out all the stuff I'm going to need. I'm gonna use 3 stuff, as you can see. 3. Normally, back home I used to use, in Jamaica we used to use 4. But if you can use 3, use 3. Alright, so this, guys, is gonna stay here. So you're gonna put it on it, like down on it. So let me put this here. Yeah, so I'm gonna mix this, guys. The longer you mix it, guys, is the less time you have for it to dry. So it's best to mix it real quick and apply it and you put it on, so you have enough time to play around with the magnet, because it's not gonna set like that, guys. It's gonna give you some trouble. You're gonna have to knot those in until you find it's even, where you can say, yeah, that's the spot where, you know, you go around it like this. Go around like this, guys. Sorry, my hand is in the way at some point. Oh yeah, this part you don't need to flood with glue. One time I didn't know that, guys. You just what to learn from. Got a little glue they put here sometimes when they, if you watch the video when they're making these, you'll be like, uh-oh, I was overdoing it. Alright, guys, so let me do this here. Show you the finger is not there, guys. Aha. You hear that click, guys? Alright, you heard that click. So I'm gonna put some screwdriver here in this corner. Alright, so I'm gonna put one here. Hold on, guys. So then I'm gonna lock. Guys, it's not easy, I told you. See it? It's locked to one side right now. And we need to move it so it come over to this side before the glue dries. But it's giving a fight. As expected. Yes, guys, it's just locked to one side and don't want to move for some strange reason. And that's what we were running from, guys. I didn't want it to go there. What's wrong with this damn radio, man? Alright, guys, so we go with here now. Try to lock it with this drill. Ah, man. Almost, guys. Wow, screwdriver is bending, guys. If I don't get it right, guys, I have to take it off back because the glue will dry. Can't afford that to happen right now. And that's what's going on right now, guys. Almost got it, guys. Almost get it, guys. I think this side is good. So what I now I do, guys, I get to show you. I'm sweating, guys. See, I get something to push in between. That's gonna be the same. Find it. Allen key. Hold on, that cannot work. Let me get one of this Allen key here, the small one. It's not going down. Oh, this one goes down, so that means I need to come over this side some more. And you can spot it, guys, if you know what you're doing. The hole where the vice guard is gonna go through here. So Allen key doesn't go down. Allen key doesn't go down. Allen key go down this side over here. Which you don't want that to happen. So you this is what I'm using, guys. Every side should be the same. It goes down a little bit over the side, too much. Alright, so yeah, it's about there, guys. So yeah, we could say yeah. I think we got it right. Yeah, guys, I told you it's worth you guys. This I show you. You can look. And it, guys, all the holes are even. Yeah, space between here. Yes, guys, between here, yeah. So let me get a shim. Normally, like it's a big shim, guys. Or it's two shims. Let me see. What is? What is go here? What is go here? What is go here? Yeah, it's about there, guys. So yeah, yeah. So this I'm gonna leave to dry, guys, for a while. But before, after it dries, guys, look at my face, guys. Look at me, guys. I'm sweating. I'm gonna get a sandpaper and rub off the edge around here. Yes, the stuff you have to do that. Yeah, it's a lot of work, guys. A lot of work. It's not easy, but you know, let's get it up. So glue running from the side, guys. I told you that was gonna happen. It's gonna squeeze it. Yeah, so you know, can't load it up too much with it. So yeah, I'm gonna put this aside now, guys, and yeah, for it to dry. Yeah, this will dry in 5 minutes, but it's not cure in 5 minutes though. But you know, but I'm gonna give it like a hour for me, and then I remove these guys, and then clean up here, and then with some sandpaper, clean up the middle piece and the side around here, and then I'll get back with you guys, and you guys see what's going on there. Yeah. Sad that I have to stop the video here, but yeah, this have to be dry for at least I know I can't pause the video that long, so yeah, I'll put it somewhere. Well, yeah, for now it's over there, guys. So I'm going to start something else. I have amplifier to work on and stuff like that, guys. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see so far, and cut these out for now.